In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow app blocked by MS Defender Smartscreen, reputation-based protection. Microsoft Defender Smartscreen is designed to protect you from potentially unsafe apps by checking their reputation. Sometimes, that means a perfectly legitimate program from a new or lesser-known publisher gets blocked. If you trust the source and understand the risks, here is how to proceed safely. When you try to open the app and see the Windows protected your PC message, don't close it right away. Look for the small More Info link on that pop-up. Clicking More Info expands the details about the app, including its publisher if available. Once you've confirmed you want to continue, click Run Anyway. This tells Smartscreen that you accept the risk for this particular launch. Use this path only when you are confident the file is safe and obtained from a trusted source. If Smartscreen stops the app from even being downloaded or launched, you can temporarily relax the reputation-based setting to get through the install. Start by opening the Start menu, typing Windows Security and opening the Windows Security app. In the left column, select App and Browser Control. Under the Reputation-Based Protection section, click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Here you'll see several toggles. Find Check Apps and Files and switch it off. This temporarily pauses the Smartscreen reputation check for apps and files, making it possible to download or run the installer. With that toggle off, go ahead and run the installer or launch the app. Keep your focus on just this one task. The goal is to get the app installed or opened without leaving your device less protected than necessary. As soon as you've finished, return to the same reputation-based protection settings screen and immediately turn Check Apps and Files back to On. This step is important. Re-enabling the setting restores Smartscreen's extra layer of protection, helping block unknown or malicious content in the future. Note that this change doesn't remove your antivirus protection. It only affects Smartscreen's reputation check. And turning it back on ensures your usual safeguards are in place. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.